Welcome to the Life Routine Lab. Today's subject is
Midnight. Sleep is a luxury. He only needs 20 minutes to feel refreshed.
4 a.m. With a 360-degree view, he's the ultimate neighborhood watch, even if it's uninvited. Breakfast on the go. Who needs hands when you have a 45-centimeter prehensile tongue? The lunch that keeps on giving. Chew, swallow, repeat. Efficiency at its finest. Evening rush hour. A gentle neck swing is the best way to claim your personal space.
Late night reading. No ladder required for the top shelf bestsellers.